Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. If you're watching the last video, you know we installed the Morimoto XB headlights into my 2020 Tacoma back there. Wish this one was mine, but it's not. You recognize them in a different place. Like in the last video, we continued on. We're in the Posh Detailing Lab.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade a noggin. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground.
And I brought the Tacoma up here to have the experts do some paint protection film on the headlights to keep them nice and protected, especially up here in the elements in Canada. Yeah. So I'm here with Eric and I'm gonna let him give a little bit of explanation into what we did, because with these headlights, there was a little bit of customizing that was needed.
All right guys, so after we installed these beautiful Morimoto headlights, we obviously want to protect, and what's the best way to protect headlights and your film and your vehicle is to protect them in paint protection film. Here at Posh, we use XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Not only is it absolutely optically clear, but it's a high tack film. So you will be getting those lift lines and lift edges all over it. But most importantly, we're going to be protecting the main impact areas. This is right at the front of the truck. This is a very important, crucial step that you want to do. So you can see now we have completed wrapping them. They are optically clear. They're fully protected. And what we had to do that was a little bit different is there's no kits that you can just pre-cut. So we had to customize the kits so it fits absolutely flawless and covers the whole surface of it. And now you're basically good until they start getting beat up. You peel it off, it'll be perfect, and you put them back on. That's it.
It's really just the fam and my dogs. I just gotta make a call. I ain't into all that chatting, not at all, not at all. Yeah, I put that on the squad. We been out here going hard. We on deck, please don't make 'em. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name.
Alright, so the guys here at Posh did an incredible job. I'm unbelievably stoked with how these look. And I'm even more stoked that they're protected. Back when I had the Subaru, I never did PPF on the headlights, and literally within months, like one winter here in Canada, they were pitted, chipped, little rock chips, dirt gets in there, it looks awful. So we've got them protected, they look fantastic, and that's it, we're done. So if you guys wanna go check out Posh's YouTube channel and Instagram, I'll have all the links down below in the description. You can see some really sick rides that they've got in the shop here. They're always working on something incredible, and they show a ton of behind the scenes of what they've done. I'm lucky, I'm really lucky that I got to have the Tacoma in here. So thanks so much, man.
Absolutely.
I really appreciate it.
For sure, thanks for coming up.
And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought.